So here the 101 question starts with the concept of judicial review in India is derived from USA. The constitution was framed by Constituent Assembly. What does Article 17 abolish untouchability? How many articles were there originally in the Constitution? 395 articles. The President can return a non money bill to the Parliament for reconsideration under Article 111. Article 32 is known as Right to Constitutional Remedies. The Constitution is divided into how many parts? 22 parts. A constitutional amendment bill must be passed by absolute majority and two-thirds majority. Article 21 provides for protection of life and personal liberty. The Constitution describes India as a union of states, in which case was the basic structure doctrine evolved. Kesavananda Bharati case. Which amendment removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? 44th Amendment. The secular nature of Indian polity implies state gives importance to all religions equally. Article 50 provides for separation of judiciary from the executive. The doctrine of severability is related to Part 3. The minimum number of judges to decide a constitutional bench case is 5 number of judges. The President can promulgate ordinances under Article 123. Which article grants special status to scheduled tribes? Article 366. The term equal protection of the laws is taken from US Constitution. Who decides the disqualification of a member of parliament? President on election. Commission's advice. Provisions related to citizenship are in which part of the Constitution? Part 2. The Interstate Council is constituted under Article 263. A law made under Article 35 can be enacted by Parliament only. Which fundamental right is available only to citizens and not to foreigners? Article 19, freedom of speech. The concept of DPSP aims at economic and social justice. Here, the DPSP means Directive Principles of State Policy. Which article prohibits traffic in human beings? Article 23. Parliament can legislate on a subject in the state list under which circumstances? When Rajya Sabha passes resolution. Money bills are defined under Article 110. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha? Fourth schedule. Adult suffrage means voting rights for all citizens above the age of 18. How many languages are currently recognized in the 8th schedule? 22. The first constitutional amendment was made in the year 1951. Panchayati Raj is covered under Part 9. Article 356 deals with President's rule. Who had the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? President. The right to vote is a statutory right. Article 226 empowers High Court to issue writs. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste is a constitutional body. Doctrine of pith and substance relates to legislative competence. A proclamation of emergency must be approved by Parliament within 2 months. Who had the final authority to interpret the Constitution? Supreme Court. Article 324 deals with Election Commission. The preamble was amended by 42nd Amendment. The term socialist was inserted into the preamble by 42nd Amendment. Which part of the Constitution deals with the Union judiciary? Part 5. Article 131 gives original jurisdiction to the Supreme Court. Rule of law is embodied in which article? Article 14. Article 124 provides for Supreme Court. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner? President. The tenure of the Rajya Sabha member is 6 years. A citizen can move directly to the Supreme Court to enforce fundamental rights under Article 32. The number of fundamental duties was increased from 10 to 11 by which amendment? 86th Amendment. Uniform Civil Code is a directive principle under Article 44. The oath of office to the President is administered by Chief Justice of India. Which article deals with equality of opportunity in public employment? Article 16. The 97th Amendment deals with cooperative societies. Who is the executive head of the state? Governor. The union list contains 100 subjects. Double jeopardy is prohibited under Article 20 over 2.